Alright, now we're ready to go with the supplementary weave, and that's going to use two different contrasting colors. Just like the ones preceding that, if you use the same colors for both yarns, one, there's not much point in it, and two, I can't see what you've done, so you will not get credit. So make sure you use two different colors. Okay, so supplementary, you're supplementing the first one with a second piece. So I'm going to move that over so we can see a little bit better. And I'm going to start on this side. Make sure you're always over-undering and alternating that. So this is wrong. That's following the same path. So I want to alternate. And I still need to make sure I'm not pulling too hard and having my warp start to curve in. Don't have little short tails either. Make sure you're keeping that, again, about the width of your hand. Now, I would probably want to flip that so that I actually have red down. Otherwise, I'm really not getting the benefit of my supplementary weaving. Okay, I want that to alternate. So when I'm grading it, I'm going to be looking for making sure that you guys are actually alternating your two different colors. So if you pull through and you've got a twist in it, or it's instead of red, white, red, red, white, red, white, it's red, red, white, white, that's probably not going to be as effective and really not look as good. Okay. So again, over, under, over, under. And you should stick more with going about 3/4 of an inch for each. You do need to fill up your sample board. And it can be either with just the required ones, those list of 7 on your packet, or you can also try some of the others. Now I need to pull just a little bit more on the one. You adjust that a little bit because I started to hourglass a little. So sometimes I need to adjust. You see how nice that looks? That creates a really nice pattern. Be thinking about which weaves you want to do for your actual project. Think about how you want to change colors, because you can't just do all blue or all green, even if it could be different shades of blue or green, but it can't just be one solid color with no change. That'd be really boring, and it's not exactly very complex. So what do you want to do? What do you want to do with your design? You're going to have to use minimum of 2. Just to pass, you got a minimum of 2. But you have to also effectively use multiples and create a really aesthetically pleasing weaving. Okay, so again, about 3/4 of an inch or so on this. When you get to the end, again, about a hand width, 3 to 4 inches out, cut your ends. Okay, again, this is the supplementary weave.